This is a genius way to detect instances where the user is scrolling their mouse wheel. You may know that there are two blocks to detect when a key is pressed. We have the when key is pressed Boolean block and the when key is pressed event block. When we take the case of the up arrow, these have a very subtle difference. The event block will detect both the up arrow and the upward mouse wheel, while the Boolean block only detects the arrow key. So, if we want to run a particular script only when the mouse wheel scrolls up, then we can use this property to our advantage. To detect the scroll, we just check if the Boolean condition is false within the event block itself. This way, we detect the scroll while ensuring that the up arrow key itself is not pressed. And that is it. If you test the program, the scratch cat does not react on pressing the up arrow, but it does move on scrolling the mouse wheel. This is perfect and exactly what we are looking for here. If you want to design a scroll down script, then you can use these blocks the same way just by changing the up arrow in both the instances to the down arrow. If you test this out again, then the code will work almost identically as before, except that now it's a downward scroll. It's a pretty cool hack and not one that most scratchers are aware about.